Today we'll be making a Scott Jon Shrimp Alfredo 10-minute meal. To start, remove the sauce pouch and place it in a bowl of warm water. While the sauce pouch is thawing, preheat your skillet on the stovetop over medium-high heat. We recommend using a 10-inch non-stick skillet like the ceramic coated one. Next, you'll want to add a tablespoon or so of cooking oil into your heated skillet. I'm using olive oil, but feel free to use whatever oil you prefer. Once the oil is heated, add the veggies and shrimp. Then add in your partially thawed sauce pouch. Don't worry if the sauce is not fully thawed, it will cook just fine. You'll want to cook the shrimp and sauce for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring often to make sure that all the shrimp get cooked evenly and nothing sticks to the pan. The cooking time will vary based on the kind of pan and stovetop you are using, but what you're looking for is firm, opaque shrimp that are white in the middle. If you're a little nervous about cooking shrimp, you can always use an instant read meat thermometer to check their internal temperature, which should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit when fully cooked. And that's it. Remove the pan from heat and you're ready to serve a delicious, home-cooked shrimp Alfredo. I'm serving mine over this gluten-free pasta, but you could use your favorite pasta, rice, a baked potato, or even enjoy it right from the pan as a starch-free dinner option. Don't forget to check out scottandjons.com for tips, recipe ideas, and more.